Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about full touch smartwatch Fire-Boltt model number BSW001. So let's get started. This is a full touch smartwatch which has a big display. It's full black in color. The touch and feel of the product is nice. It's made of good quality plastic. Plus, you also get the charger along with the watch in the box. You get the instruction manual and you get few cards like there's Ghana subscription, there is some app subscription you get. So you also get this free Z5 premium subscription. So everything is there. Now this watch lets you check your SPO2 levels, it lets you monitor your heart rate, and as far as if you want to know whether this is water resistant, whether you can wear this while swimming and all, so this is IPX7 water resistant, that means you can wear it while swimming. Plus you get to measure your SPO2 levels. It has a 8 days battery life, that is pretty good. So if you charge this fully, you can use this for 8 days without charging. Now few other features that are there is that it has a 1.4 inches TFT screen, plus the battery capacity is 170 mAh. The system requirement is iOS 8.0 or above, and for Android it's 5.1 or above. Now other features are you can do all day activity, like as I told you, whatever things that you do on your phone, you can check messages, you can check calls, you can read your emails and all through this watch. In fact, the notifications and all you get on this watch, you can control music, you can set alarm, you can use this as a stopwatch. Plus, there is a message reminder option also and dynamic heart rate also. You can check that also. So many functions are there. In fact, some other functions are mentioned in the user manual. If you read the user manual, you will be able to understand like incoming calls, how to take, how to get goal notification, and how to, for example, if you're working out and all, how to monitor everything. You want to check the weather, you want to set the timer, you want to adjust the brightness, watch face replacement is also there, how to turn it off. So everything is mentioned, and as I told you, this charger that you get along, if you want to know how you can charge it, you can use it for 8 days after you have charged this watch fully. So here it has magnet at it. So when I connect this, the magnets get attached. Again, I'll show it to you. This is how it gets attached. And now this other end, you can put it in your adapter or on your laptop, however you want to charge this. 8 days battery life you get 170 mAh battery. So this was it about this watch. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.